Are you ready to immerse yourself in a city where the past and present collide in the most vibrant way? Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City, where tradition meets modernity. Formerly known as Saigon, this bustling metropolis is Vietnam's largest city and its economic heartbeat, home to over 7 million people. Despite its rapid development, HCMC retains its rich cultural heritage, with life unfolding in bustling markets, charming cafes, and lively street stalls. Explore the iconic Ben Ton Market, a treasure trove of local culture and bargains, or wander through the historic Thien Hao Temple in Chinatown. Our TEFL training center is nestled in the heart of this dynamic city, equipped with all the resources you need to succeed. Our course fees are transparent, covering everything from lessons and materials to lifetime job assistance, with no hidden costs. Upon completing your TEFL course, the world is your oyster. We offer job placement assistance globally, so you can teach anywhere your heart desires. Join us in Ho Chi Minh City, where a thriving economy and a passion for education create the perfect environment for your teaching journey. Start your adventure today.